Hey guys, Dave the Watchman here coming at you with another watch review video, and today I've got something special for you. It's a watch that I've been reviewing I've had a few of these come in, and I really do like the brand, so I got another one here for you to check out. And before I get started, as always, I just wanted to say thank you so much to all of my current subscribers. You guys are the best. Thank you so much for helping grow this channel from the ground up. You guys are the ones who make this world go round, and I could not appreciate you more. I really do appreciate all of your likes, comments, thumbs up, anything that you have, any input, any questions, comments, or any information you have on these watches is always very helpful. Any of your general interaction always does help out the channel, so I really do appreciate you guys so much for taking the time to watch these videos and providing your input. And if you do want to see something else on this channel, just let me know. If I get enough requests for a certain watch, I'll go out and buy the watch and do the review on it. Now, I'm not sponsored by any of these watch companies, and I pride myself on the fact that I give you my honest opinion. I'm not a professional about watches. I'm not a jeweler. I'm just a guy. I like my watches. I like to buy them. I like to wear them, and I like to review them. So if you are new to this channel, I am Dave the Watchman. I review budget-friendly watches for the everyman because I don't believe that you should have to spend a fortune to look like you have a fortune. And if you do like that concept, I would definitely appreciate that thumbs up, liking, and subscribing, as it always does help out the channel, especially if you want to see more watches and watch review videos, because that's what I do here at Dave the Watchman on YouTube. And if men's fashion is what brought you to this channel, I would definitely appreciate you guys heading on over to Dave the Shoe Man on YouTube. That's my other channel where I review budget-friendly shoes for the everyman, because I also don't believe that you should have to spend a fortune to look like you have a fortune when it comes to your footwear as well. So without further ado, let's get into this box today and show you guys what watch I do have in my hand right now, and it is a brand that I've done a couple of videos on, and I really do like it. It's the Stuhrling brand. I think they come out with a great watch. This is a watch. I haven't opened up this box yet, so I don't really know what's in it, but they do come out with some nice watches. This is actually an Aviator style watch that we're going to look at today. So it's one of their Aviator versions, one of their Aviator watches. So it's a Stuhrling brand watch. Really nice company that I found on Amazon. They've got some really good quality watches. Let's go see what we got in this box today. Now, I did pick the brown leather, or it looks more of like an orangey tone. It looks like their colors, actually. But it is like a brown leather. So we're going to go over it and take a look at it. It comes with the cleaning cloth. It comes with the instruction manual, and how to operate it. So it also comes with the warranty card, looks like. You got the Stuhrling warranty card and a really nice display box for the watch itself. So let's take a good look at it. Okay, guys. This is a Stuhrling chronograph watch, Japanese quartz movement with the 44mm case. I'm going to have to be honest with you guys right off the bat. This is not what I expected from Stuhrling. This watch really does feel like it's a cheap watch. Let's get this thing started here. It's got a nice looking dial. It just looked a lot better online, and it feels very cheap in the hand. This does have a Cristerna crystal on it for extra scratch resistance, and it's a Japanese quartz movement on a 44mm case, with the tachometer dial, 24-hour clock sub-dial over at the 3 o'clock position. You can see that. But guys, I'm just not too impressed with the watch. Let's see if we can get it to solidly focus on it. I'm just not really impressed with it. It feels cheaper. It looks cheaper. It looks a lot cheaper and feels a lot cheaper than most of the other Stuhrlings that I have reviewed. And you know, the price on this thing, for the price, I mean, it does have a genuine leather stitched band on it, but for the price on this thing, honestly, unless you really like this style, the price on this thing is just too much for me to want to recommend. This watch is under $100, but it's at roughly $90 on Amazon. It does have a 4-star rating, so there's a lot of people out there that do like this watch. For me, it's just not enough for the price. I mean, I really would have expected a lot better quality out of Stuhrling based on the other watches that I've reviewed on this channel. Check out some of my other reviews. I would not say that it's a bad company. This watch just does not do it for me, guys. It's just, it feels cheaper. It feels like a less quality watch. It feels like something you could pick up for around $30. And I probably wouldn't pay more than $30 for it, to be honest with you. But if you really do like this style, I will put a link in the description below where you can head on over to Amazon and even maybe just take a look at the description and see what you think about it. Um, but yeah, click on that affiliate link and check it out. If you do decide to buy it and you click on that affiliate link, it doesn't cost you anything more. It just sends a couple of dollars over to me for the referral. Um, but guys, if you do like it, we all like what we like. I mean, we all have different tastes and we like what we like, and this watch is really no exception to that rule. It's a smooth running watch. I just don't think it has the wow factor for me, especially if you're going to pay $100 for it. Let's check out what the lume looks like on this thing. So I hold it up to the light here for just a second. Okay, so the lume is pretty impressive on it. It does have some bright lume on it, so it's not lacking in that department. I just think the overall appearance of the watch is just not my taste. But it does look like it's built pretty well. I mean, it is a nice looking watch, and it does seem like it's nicely built. And when you put it on the wrist, it is kind of nice looking on the wrist. I don't know if it's the orange band or the design of the case. Something just makes it look cheap to me. Even though it is a good quality watch and good quality built, all of the Stuhrling watches that I have reviewed have been great quality watches. So I don't know, just your mileage may vary. Check it out. You got nothing to lose if you buy it on Amazon. They always have an amazing return policy on Prime, so you're not going to lose anything there. If you don't like it, you can always send it back. But anyhow, this is the Stuhrling chronograph watch, Japanese quartz movement, 44 millimeter case in stainless steel. With the genuine leather strap, sports chronograph, tachymeter dial, 24-hour clock subdial at 3 o'clock position. Comes with the Cristerno crystal for extra scratch resistance. It is 50 meters of water resistance, so it's not recommended for swimming or any general water sports. It's just basically splash proof. And it does have a nice looking aviator design. All around, I'd have to say it's a good watch, decent, just not something that I would personally want to wear. And it's got great lume, and it does have a 4-star rating on Amazon right now, so that does say a lot. A lot of people do like this watch. So under 90 bucks on Amazon right now. I will post a link to that in the description below. With that said, I am Dave the Watchman. I review budget-friendly watches for the everyman because I don't believe that you should have to spend a fortune to look like you have a fortune. And if you do like that concept, I definitely appreciate that thumbs up, liking, and subscribing, as it always does help out the channel, especially if you want to see more watches and watch review videos, because that's what I do here at Dave the Watchman on YouTube. And if men's fashion is what brought you over to my channel, be sure to check out Dave the Shoeman as well. That's my other channel where I review budget-friendly shoes for the everyman, because I don't believe that you should have to spend a fortune to look like you have a fortune when it comes to your footwear as well. So until next time, I will see you guys all in the next watch review video. Unless you're over on the other side, then I will see you guys all in the next shoe review video. Thank you guys all so much, and I hope you guys have a great weekend.